Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to export your call history on Google Meet step by step. Now, first, go ahead and open Google Meet on your browser. Once you're there, look for the settings icon, usually at the top right corner. So click on it. Now, Google Meet will ask you if you want to use your microphone and camera or continue without microphone and camera. So I'm going to click on the second one. Now, from the menu at the left side, you have four options. You have audio, video, call history in general. So we're gonna need to tap on call history. Now inside the call history section, you'll see a few options. So you can see delete call history, export call history, and auto delete call history. So what we're focusing on is the export your history button. So go ahead and click on export your history. Once you click that, Google will redirect you to Google Takeout. This is where your data will be prepared for download. Now on Google Takeout, you'll see that Google Meet is already selected for you. Scroll down and click on Next Step. Next, you can choose file type, file size, and delivery method like email download link. After that, click on Create Export. Now Google will start preparing your file. This might take a few minutes depending on how much call history you have. So once it's ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. So click the link, download the file, extract it, and you'll have your Google Meet call history. You can also enable auto delete in the same settings if you want your call history to be removed automatically after a certain period. And that's it. That's the easiest and updated way to export your call history on Google Meet. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.